Hey, welcome to my new video. This is Kalam again here, and in this video, I'm totally exploring you how to write those type of email using AI. If I scroll down my email section, you can see here the lots of email, etc. companies send me and promote their service or product. Many times I purchase their product because I inspired their email. If I scroll down, you can see this is a courier. Then this is a really amazing email. Somebody send me email, then I must be watch and read this email. This is my hobby. So how in this video I'm totally exploring you how to write this type of email using AI in just one click. Please keep watch full video. Don't skip any second. If you scroll and skip any second, you don't understand properly. If you watch full video, I guarantee you are able to write an email using this AI. So first I go to this email. You can see this is at creative.ai. This company sent me and promote their service. I copy this one. Then I'm going to this AI tool. This AI tool is a really easy and easy for use. Class 5 students are able to use this AI. So first go to gravityride.com. Then you can see here is a lots of options. So today I am going to sales email generator. Then what are you selling or promoting? I want to promote a tool at creative. Then what is your ideal customer? Then I select a freelancer, uh, business owner, and that's it. Then how many type what needs to my need this in this email? So I need a 500 character, enter maximum 1000. Then product or branding. My company name is MR Kalam. Then more city. I select default because if I select default, this AI tool give me better. So just create, just click here. Wow, we can see this AI tool write email for me and unleashed unlimited potential, streamline, maximize your revenue. Wow, I'm waiting few seconds. Wow, this is a really amazing email. Now you need a picture, right? Just go to lexica.art, then download those type of marketing related any others related image or art. It's absolutely free. So this link I will also attach in description below. Then put your image here, then gap, then your email that are more attractive, more eye catch. So if I send this email by my customer and any others that are interest person, so I guarantee you are able to sales and service promoting successfully. So if you want to more video about those types of chat GPT make money online, please comment below. I will try to create a specific video only for. See you next video.